Let's say we have pushed all these commits to a remote repository, and now we want to undo one or more of them. As I explained before, resetting the head is not an option here because we don't want to drop the commits that we have shared with others. So we have to use the revert command. Now, let's say we want to revert this commit over here. We type git revert head. We can also revert an earlier commit, like head ~2. This will revert this commit over here. We can also specify a range. Let's say we want to revert all the last 3 commits. First, we look at the parent of this commit. So that is this commit over here. So here we say revert head ~3 to head. Here's the tricky part. When we say head ~3 to head, we're referencing this range, but Git will actually revert the last 3 commits. So it's not going to include this commit over here, okay? Now when we run this command, Git is going to revert each of these commits one by one. Take a look. Let's go. All right, first it's going to revert this commit. I'm going to keep the default message as is. So let's close this window. Now Git is reverting the next commit. Once again, I'm going to keep the default message. So let's move on. And here's one more revert operation. Let's go. All right, reverting is done. Now let's look at our history. Look, we have 3 revert commits, and this is very ugly. It's adding so much noise in our history. Wouldn't that be better if we reverted all these commits using a single commit? Let me show you how to do that. First, I want to reset the head to this position to get rid of these revert commits. So git reset --hard head ~3. Let's look at our history one more time. So we're in the same state as before, and we want to revert the last 3 commits. We type git revert. Now we're going to use an option called no commit. With this option, Git will simply add the required changes in the staging area. So for every commit that we're going to revert, Git will figure out the changes that need to be undone. Then it will apply those changes in the staging area. That's just like before. We're going to specify our range. So head ~3 to head. Now we can simplify this by dropping the second head. So with this, we're essentially reverting the last 3 commits. Take a look. So Git removed this file because we added this file in one of the last 3 commits. Now look, we have some changes in our staging area. So git status -s. Here's the reverse of all the changes across the last 3 commits. Now if you screwed something and we want to get out of this state, we can type git revert abort. Or if we're happy with our changes, we can use the continue option. Now in this case, I don't want to accept the default message because we are reverting multiple commits. So we should write a message that better describes the commits that we're reverting. In this demo, I'm going to say revert bad code. Save, close. All right, reverting is done. Let's look at our history. Now we have a single revert commit. Beautiful. So we can push this to the origin and share it with others.